Alright, so I did notice a bit of a problem when I was going through a quick little filtering refresher for myself. And what I noticed was if we go into the cash tracker folder and let's open up our models.py. Because price is a character field, what I was trying to do is I was trying to do filtering via price. So price is greater than or less than a certain number. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this to a decimal field. And let's see, I think decimal field, I got to open this up because I think decimal field has some required arguments. So decimal field, yeah, so it requires a max digits and decimal places. And so for example, to store numbers up to 999 with a resolution of 2 decimals, you'd use max digits is 5, decimal places is 2. All right, so let's just do it this way. Copy this, so 999. That way our database will be able to store purchases less than $1,000, so $999 and below. So we're going to do this. It was, let's see, what was it? It was max digits and decimal places. So we're going to do max digits. It's going to equal 5, and decimal places is going to equal 2. And I'm going to get rid of this. This could give us an error because this is going to be a string and this is going to be a decimal field. So it's probably going to give us an error, but we'll tackle that when we get there. So I updated a model. I need to make my migrations again. And the problem is we have some stuff already in the database that have strings in the price field, where now we just change it to a decimal field, so we could have a little bit of a headache here. We'll see. So manage.py make migration. It's not make migration, it's migrations cache tracker. So there we go. So that worked, and it said, look, okay, you altered the field price, and that's exactly what we did. We changed it from a character field to a decimal field. So I'm gonna say Python manage.py migrate. This is probably where we're gonna see some errors. Nothing. Okay. Well then, let's launch our server. And I want to go to the admin page. So localhost :8000 admin receipts. Yep. So can't convert decimal.digit or decimal.decimal object to str to string implicitly. And I'm guessing that's happening right in that, yep, right in that string method. So this is, we're going to fix this right here. Let's see, so I'm going to comment that out real fast. So I'm going to say return, let's try this. Boom, boom, dot format, self.merchandise, and self.price. I'm just going to check this, and if this works, which I think it should, I'll tell you what happened there. There we go. So now it's working. All right, so basically what this str method does, it just creates a string representation of this. So it's just really changing how this is displayed. So if I wanted to swap this 250 in front of the notebooks, say I wanted to have the prices first, I would just swap these. This is going to be self.price. This is going to be self.merchandise. And I'm going to refresh this. Look at that, they're swapped. So it's just the string representation of whatever object it is. This right here is string formatting. So each one of these curly braces, these set of curly braces, translates to the position of whatever are the arguments passed into the dot format method. So basically, this set of curly braces is coming over here and saying it's going to equal whatever is the first argument. This second set of curly brace is going to come over here and say it's going to equal to whatever is the second argument. We don't need this commented thing anymore, so I'm going to delete that. Save, and we shouldn't have to. I think you only have to make migrations anytime you change class attributes. The methods shouldn't matter, but let's just double check that by saying python manage.py make migrations. Yeah, no changes detected. So you only have to do migrations when you're changing the attributes, because really the attributes are the columns of the database. And whenever we change a column of a database, we need to update the database to give it the new information. Otherwise, methods are just gonna, act upon the class itself. All right, so now that we got that fixed, in the next video, I'm gonna show you the filtering.